Isesend ako sa Discord, tignan nyo kung magugustuhan nyo. Ano siya, para siyang repo at saka Phasmophobia na pinaghalo. Apat kayo, tapos naghahanap kayo ng treasure sa isang isla. Tapos nag-hallucinate kayo pagka parang may sanity kayo. Unti-unti na babaliw yung character. So may chance ang yung baril mo malaglag, tapos mapulot mo kahoy, ay kahoy, tapos akala mo baril pa din. Yung kakampi mo magiging parang mukhang halimaw. So pag walang communication, mapapatay mo sila.
Parang nakita ko na yung game na yun. Pag
Ako
magkakalayo
maganda,
kayo,
no?
parang babaliw
Nakit
kayo.
malapit. Tapos nagiging multo, parang multo
Dito
yung
tayo,
mga
Bert.
kakampi mo. Change
Wow,
ko na lang sa
war agad.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo. Deploy agad. Ayan. Uy, baba ka agad.
Sana lumitaw. Kasi minsan hindi na lumilitaw. Ang hirap hanapin. Ano pa lang kasi sila eh. Tawag rito. Beta tester. Beta pa lang eh.
Pala, yung The Division Resurgence magiging free na sa Steam by August 3.
Bert, ang dami pala dyan, Bert. Bert,
August
retreat,
3,
retreat.
August 5, I mean, sorry.
Ayun.
Bert, ang dami dyan,
Damaw
Bert.
yung laro.
Bert,
Meron ba sa inyo pwede mag-live? Para masilip ko kayo bago ako mag-quit.
mali yung pin ko, Bert.
It's
Yun lang.
your fault, not me.
Diretso ka dyan, Bert. Survive, okay?
I'll do my best kung merong armas agad. Daming magpapatayan agad. I'll
Parang
take
Call of Duty
everything I
tuloy
can
laro eh.
get.
Disconnect. Pero di-disconnect na rin ako talaga. Sige guys, mauna na muna ako. Matutulog na ako talaga.
Puro component dito. Sige, goods.
Sausage, make it fast.
Next. Galingan nyo.
Puro component nakakuha ko dito, Bert eh.
Is GG, what percent?
May bug dito, Bert.
Why you telling me that? Layo ko sa'yo.
Sorry. I should know. Just thought you should know. May baril ka na?
Yep.
You holding out?
Trying to.
Secret key. Saan papunta tong secret key na to?
I do not know.
A well hidden place daw.
Bro, I'm inside that. I'm inside the circle.
Nice.
I'll just hide for now.
Good.
Unless I can kill somebody. Meron akong suppressor na kuha for my sniper.
You know. SKS.
Yep. A lot of people are killing each other next to my building.
That's nice. Dragon. Oh man, level 3.
Degree. 2019, right sponsoring aware the audience for pilot investment of pathology views with a complete different diagnosis. Primary gestational large B-cell lymphoma, a rare and aggressive type of blood cancer. I had been misdiagnosed. My family and I were baffled, but we chose to see it as an answered prayer, a miracle in a misdiagnosis. Because it meant I now
Whoa. M249. Should I take this?
Machine gun?
Yeah.
Depends if style mo talaga, fight talaga.
I should take this.
Okay. Oo, may tumalon sa bintana.
Isang bintana.
Kung saan ako right now.
Wala kasi yung makuha ng ano eh.
chemotherapy, but it was so longer than two. My family was declared left up poorly or started the treatment. Since the registered people regimen of a stem cell transplant. Millions worldwide have another line of treatment, but that is free. The people still address
Ang dami kong secret kinukuha. You okay there, man?
I'm hiding in the corner like a rat. It's just non-stop killing, man.
That's good.
Sinarado ko lahat ng pintuan na binuksan ko para hindi halata na may tao sa loob. So that kung sino man papasok dito, i-ambush ko na lang.
on transplant. This required another month-long
Can you move closer to this side? May vehicle dito eh. Pwede natin gamitin.
I'll try.
Do you think that's a sensible idea?
I think I'll wait pag andyan ka na. Pag on the way ka na.
Yeah,
Not yung on the spot.
that works.
Ano to?
On the way na ako, man.
Sige lang. Okay. Okay, I'll be going na.
Dahil pang tao dyan.
Yeah, there's still people there.
Parang doon galing sa area ko kanina. Look at this.
Yeah, I
Oh.
know. Car?
May sasakyan. Yeah. Yun.
Ayun, lumayo.
Table to man pag nakadapa eh.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. You wanna drive?
Yo, sino the drive?
Go na. Para may sisisihin ako.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Uy!
we're being shot at.
Uy! Bumaba ako.
Ah!
Well, probably shouldn't have. But yeah, tara. Sakay na ulit ako.
Where we heading? Ah, my goodness.
Head straight to the center.
Open field?
Baka di dyan muna sa ano. Dito muna sa park mo. Tinanong mo kasi ako eh. Hindi ka nagtanong. Nandito yung sasakyan kanina.
Yeah, yeah.
This really.
Oh, may nag-smoke doon. Ow! Oh! Dinangga ko, Sos! Heavy covering fire right now! I'm
Ako.
dead. Wait, you're dead?
I did ako. Yeah.
How?
Shot me, that's how we died.
God damn.
Wala. Wala epic. M24. Mga naka-level 3 din sila na ano, best. Ready when you are.
Same map. Saan tayo baba this time?
Ah, hindi ko alam eh. Nag-crash yung game.
Nag-crush ka?
Oo.
Oh no! Pero in-game ka pa rin nakalagay dito.
Magre-reconnect ako eh.
Okay. I hope makarecon ka agad. Naka-recon ka?
Loading.
Buti nag-follow yung AI sa akin.
Naka-follow sa'yo. Okay ah.
Ayun
May
nga.
ganitong feature pala.
May kalaban doon sa next village na sa right side.
Uy, nice.
Uy, revolver.
Daming baril, no? Jammer pack. Puro jammer pack nakikita ko. Vehicle camo netting. Anong silbi niyan?
Hiding your vehicle.
I know, but sa game na to, bro. You can hide your vehicle, but the sound of your vehicle cannot be hidden from miles away. It's futile. Ooh, dragon. Sabi na yan. Nice enemies to the blue zone and What? Yung pala yung busy grenade.
The what grenade?
Busy grenade.
Oh. What the hell?
Oh, you're being shot at, man.
Yan, dito.
Hmm? Bumili akong biscuit ni Kali. Maraming biscuit si Kali. Kailan kita mo yung fita? Masan yung kalaban?
I don't know where exactly, but they're shooting. Oh. Andito sila sa mark ko. Orange. They're in the house.
The same house I'm at.
No.
So may minark mo.
Orange marking.
We're gonna be here in a minute. Naririnig ko sila, bakbakan natin.
Andyan sila sa bahay mo right now?
Naririnig ko malapit sila. To my left, so that's in between us. Papasok dito siguro isa. Wait lang, wala.
Yeah,
Sorry.
That's an enemy. That's an enemy right now.
Wala. Daddy, tingnan mo sa kami. Establish permission.
Ayun yung fita niya, mami, oh. Dami. Not that, the red one. Ako yung bumaril.
Ako yun. Ikaw yun?
Oh, stun grenade. Ayun,
Where? That's my question.
sa loob ng bahay.
Nasa
Sa
loob
loob ng
na.
bahay na yun, oh.
Okay.
They have terrible aim, man. We should survive. Ayun.
Nice one.
Knockout lang.
Where is he? Fuck off.
Knockout lang yung gawa ko. Kahit ilang beses ko siya binaril. Ba't ganun?
I'm sure
Ooh.
meron pa yan kasama.
Yeah. Mas siya extended mag. Poor.
Extended mag din yung kailangan ko eh.
Daming 5.56 dito ano. MK12 oh. Mga kailangan may MK12.
Puro ako kan. 7.76 puro yung armas ko. Sniper tsaka assault rifle. Pati pistol.
Ako din eh. Hindi ako kumuha ng pistol.
Wait, palitan ko na yung pistol ko. There we go.
2 frag grenades. 1 smoke. Not bad. Ang dami akong health pack. Ito, SKS. Oh. Tama sa ako, SKS or Dragonov.
SKS or Dragonov.
Fire rate kasi. Oh, ano yun, mami? Ha? Hala. Oh my goodness. Nasira? Ha? Baba ako. Wait, Kali.
Yari.
Pakibantayan niya ako. Ay, wala pala tayo. Wait lang, mami, ah. Kali, wait. What's that? Yeah. May sasakyan ba tayo man? Para, bantayan mo ako. Kailangan ko bumaba saglit.
I think so.
The red one, the red one. You get the red one.
I
Oh, that's not
don't-
good for you.
I don't see cars.
Direction tayo circle. 20 seconds ano.
Yeah. Ayun, may sasakyan doon.
Ayun. Oo. Buggy ba yun?
Oh, that's a glider.
Ay. Glider. Ano?
I don't know how to drive that.
Really?
It's a new vehicle that I don't know.
Let's try it out.
Okay.
We technically have... Wait, how many can
Dalawa.
I don't know.
Ay, walang gas. Walang gas.
Oh, yeah. Oh, meron pa doon sa akin. Ah! Circle man, circle. Takbuhin na lang.
Malapit lang ba?
Medyo.
We can outrun this.
Yun, may mga baro sa likod.
Ano yun nasira?
Oh, tatlo yung airdrop.
That...
But you have to defend me for at least a couple minutes.
go to inside a secure room.
Kailangan din natin dumiretso sa gitna eh. Para hindi tayo ano.
Yeah.
4x scope ano. 4x scope. Ouch!
Ayan na yung barrier.
Nasa labas mo pala. Oh, malapit lang sa sunod na barrier. Diretso na tayo sa sunod.
We need a car.
Layo, sobra.
Oh,
Oh shit.
ikaw yon?
Hindi.
Oh shit.
Killed him.
The fuck?
Nakita niya ako yung binaril niya, hindi ako tinamaan.
Hybrid scope.
Ooh,
Suppressor sa
suppressor.
Heavy
Ay,
stuff.
sorry. Medyo mabilis yung kamay ko. SLR oh, meron siya SLR.
Sige lang, I'm good with stuff. Compensator. I'll take the compensator. I'll take the hybrid scope. Yeah, I'm good. Layo ba? Bro, layo. Nasa bridge. We need a car.
Yeah. 16 seconds man.
Meron dito. Merong jeep dito.
Okay. Deliver us to our salvation, Bert. You have to.
It's either we gonna cross or we gonna swim. Come on, ayan. Gumagalaw na yung barrier.
Kaya nga eh. Wait, di ka nag energy drink tsaka ano, pills?
Nope, hindi pa.
Why?
Sige lang, makakalabas na tayo dito, bro. Go, come on! Let's go!
Ano, doon tayo sa sira o doon tayo sa ayos?
I do not know. Oh no, sira yung bridge.
Oh, putol yung nandito sa una.
Can we jump off
Nagawa.
sa side natin?
Tas swim or what?
Di ba? I meant using the car.
I don't know. Probably. Probably not. Oh, may ano. Meron. Oh, shit.
Doing my best.
Jump. Bert, jump, jump, jump.
Woohoo! Fuck off, asshole.
Tapos dun yung circle sa kabilang side.
Wag naman sana. Oh, yeah, this is good, this is good.
May sunog dito, Bert. Bert. You know what this means.
Yeah, this is war.
The probability is... Dragonov or ano? Car.
I think we... Oh shit. Car. Bumabalik, babalik. Yup, we're being shot at.
Malayo, sa kabilang side.
I'm hiding right now. Sino nag-smoke? Ikaw?
Ako. Dito sa kabilang side.
God damn.
Sandwich tayo. Ano yung mortar? Hindi. Doon yung kalaban. Come on, we have to move.
Now?
Nakamotor pa rin sila, no?
Yeah.
Yung
Meron.
tabi yung car.
Oh, okay.
They're everywhere. Yun, no? Doon, no? Tama doon?
Yeah, kung saan tayo galing kanina.
Yata extended mag. Naalala ko yung mga nakamotor kanina eh. Ayun, nakita mo? Narinig mo?
Yeah.
Binaril tayo.
Yup.
They are somewhere a little near. The energy drink now.
Lapit. Should we move now or mamaya na?
Pwede natin hintayin yung mga nandun sa ano. Ng... Uy! Airdrop oh! Lapit na airdrop.
Oh my god, really? Why now?
Yeah. We ought to get it, man. It's already there. Ano?
Oh, may tumatakbo papunta dun. Let's go.
Mag-smoke ako. Uy. Meron sa kabilang side mo.
Yeah.
Dito. Sa bato.
Yeah. Oh,
Nakagilisot.
nice.
Tama yung dugo.
Yeah. Oh, see it. Siya ba yung bumabaril?
Yan,
Nice.
knockdown siya.
Flanking.
Meron pang isang... Sige, I'll cover. I'll give cover. Uy! Meron sa likod mo.
Really? Okay.
Oo. Dalawa yan, ha? I'll follow you. Circle na pala. Ah, sila yung nakamotor.
Tumakbo. Nandito sila sa direction kung saan ako right now.
Careful.
Hindi ko lang alam kung which rock are they hiding right now.
Either way, we have to move, man.
Yeah.
Yan. Tama ba nakita kong shadow?
Ang hirap nitong away na to. Malapit sa river.
Hindi maganda yung position natin, man.
Yeah. There's
Ayan, looks like they're
two more
hiding
teams.
from...
Let's just wait
Mukhang
na lang
doon tayo
na
sa-
lumiit yung circle.
Oo. Not in a good position, man.
Yeah. Wala na akong mga
Energy.
energy drink and shit.
Dang. Nako din.
Oh my god.
Pa tayo.
Oh my goodness sake. Oh no! This is very bad!
Could be good. Bert, wag tayo sa isang puno, Bert.
I'll do my best.
Nakikilisot kasi sila eh. They could be hiding. Oh, sila yun.
Someone
Ikaw.
throw smoke.
Sa gitna sila nag-smoke. Sa baba. Sa baba, no?
Yeah, I think so. Ba't may motorcycle dito malapit?
Andyan sila, Buds. Bert.
Ah,
Andyan sila.
shit. Anak ng tinapay.
Pira. In a good position.
Nakita ko na.
Saan? Mark mo.
Trying. Yup. Dalawa sila, yung nakagilisot. Nakagilisot,
Oo.
bullshit. Ako tina-target.
Sige.
Gumagalaw
Hindi
na
tayo
sila,
magkasama.
gumagalaw na sila.
Oo. There's another team.
Yeah, I know.
Sige, hayaan natin sila mag-clash. Change your position, man.
If I can.
Granada na lang meron ako.
Hal!
What?
Ba't
They
sila,
died?
ba't sila nagmamortar?
You saw them?
Yeah. Center.
Wala akong visibility dito. Kaso, saan yung iba?
I don't know, saan yung isa pang team? Target ako. Jesus Christ. Wala na. Lit na ng barrier. I'm out.
What? Come on, man.
Nasa kanila, nagstay
Hindi-
sila doon sa sentro. Nasa kanila yung barrier. Yung circle. I'm dead.
May nanakot ako ng frag.
Puro sila nakagilisot, bro.
Oo nga eh. Hindi makita pag higa eh. Pag nakadapa.
We tried.
Yeah. I got 4 kills. Ikaw.
Wait, loading pa. 2 kills lang ako.
We tried.
Wait. Never mind. It's not kills. Assess lang ako. Ikaw yung may kills.
Sheesh. Top 3. Parang ba't ganun, Bert?
Ha?
Pag naka-solo game, nakakikidinner ka. Ay, balat ka sa puwet. Ang bihira.
That depends lang talaga sa situation. Napura sila, wala na. Lumiliit na yung barrier.
Ang bihira, no? Napakaliit ng barrier, ganun. Saan ka namatay? Sa barrier?
Sa barrier. Tatakbo na ako palabas ng barrier. But lakas na nung damage ng barrier, man.
Hmm.